Original, back with another one for y'all. Check this out. Today on my YouTube channel, we going over how to add money on Just Another Panel. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Now, as y'all can see, I got $52 in my account on Just Another Panel, and I've been getting a lot of questions about how to add money onto Just Another Panel, and it's very easy. And on this video, I'm about to teach y'all exactly how to do that. Now, the first thing you need when you in the United States and you want to add money onto Just Another Panel is you need Bitcoin, right? In order to buy Bitcoin, you have to open up a Coinbase account, right? It's the easiest way to buy Bitcoin. All you got to do is open up a Coinbase account, get verified, link your bank account, all of that stuff, and buy Bitcoin. Add Bitcoin to your wallet, right? Then you want to come over to Just Another Panel. You will come over to the left hand side, and then you will see add funds in the left hand corner, right? Now, after that, you would just select the method. Now, it's all of these different methods, but the only ones that work immediately is the Bitcoin, right? Other ones don't work for the United States, and other ones you have to put in a ticket, right? So when we go over to the Bitcoin, you see Bitcoin payment is auto-enabled for everybody. The minimum payment is $1, and you get a 5% bonus on Bitcoin payments. So you get 5% extra of whatever you add, right? So let's say we wanted to add $10. All we have to do is select the payment method, which is BTC, add $10, go to pay now, and then this menu will pop up, right? Where you would pay with your Coinbase, right? You have to sign into your Coinbase and use the balance within your Coinbase to pay the $10, right? So we're gonna pay the $10. Y'all see the total is gonna be $11.40, right? But we get 5% extra, so we just gonna say next. We gotta confirm this we gotta confirm this Coinbase payment. Hold on, let me get the confirmation. You get the confirmation from this app. It's called Authy. If y'all need step-by-step guidance on this, I do offer over the phone counseling for $250, and y'all can see my payment is sent right to JAP, and we gonna just wait just to show y'all how long it takes for the money to add onto your account. Right now I have $52.50 in my account. I'm gonna refresh the page. Keep refreshing the page. Right now I have $52.50. It don't take long for the money to come onto your account. It's probably like 2 to 3 minutes, maybe 5 minutes. But after that, the money will be available on your account for you to begin promoting. So let's refresh it again. Let's see. Still not here, but it's about to come. So I want y'all to time it with me. Getting all the confirmation emails saying that the Bitcoin was sent, right? I just want y'all to time it with me. Just refresh it again. You can look in the bottom left-hand corner. When I refresh, you will see a little bar popping up, waiting for just another panel. Waiting for just another panel. But the funds are about to add. I just want to time it before we get into the Spotify method. I want to go over the exact numbers and the promotions you should use on Just Another Panel when you want to make money on Spotify. And I already revealed this on my last video, but this is one of my streaming accounts. As you can see, I have 132,000 monthly listeners. One of my top songs have 1.6 million streams, and Spotify pays $4,000 per million streams. So I'm about to teach y'all how to make money on Spotify using Just Another Panel. First, you have to add money. You have to have a Coinbase account. You have to add Bitcoin to your Coinbase account. And from there, you can link your Coinbase account to just another panel and transfer money over fast, right? Not instantly, but it's faster than the other ways. Now we still waiting for it to load. It normally take about 5 minutes. Normally when you deal with Bitcoin, Bitcoin, it takes a minute for the transactions to confirm. Bitcoin has to confirm, because it's a cryptocurrency. It confirms through like computer servers and the internet how it works when it transfers money. And we just gonna wait for these funds to drop. I just want to time it. I got a whole presentation ready for y'all, so just stick around if you watching this. This will be a live premiere. We doing all of this live, so you can see. I have 5250 in my account. I'm about to refresh it again. Now you see it just updated live on camera. Now we have $63 in my JAP account, right? And all you have to do to add money on just another panel, right? If you just coming in late in the live stream, is go over to the left hand corner and select add funds. Hold on, add funds on the left hand corner, right? And then from there, you select the method. You select BTC, right? You get a 5% bonus every time you add Bitcoin, right? 5% bonus. You can add whatever. You can add $10. Go to pay now. Internet moving a little slow now. Pay now. It'll pop up with Coinbase, and then you can pay with Coinbase. It'll connect to your Coinbase account, and then it'll pull from your Bitcoin wallet. Just another panel, and it'll load on your account. If we search by Spotify, right? It's a bunch of tiers you could choose from with this Spotify, but I condensed it and I already know which ones to pick. Now, you can go with the free tier strategy, right? And that's ID 1925, where the streams are 33 cents per 1,000 streams. Now, in order to get 1 million streams, you need to do that 1,000 streams 1,000 times, right? And 33 cents times 1,000 is $330. So you invest $330, and then you receive at least $3,700 in music royalties, which you will profit $3,400. Then you reinvest $330 and you save the $3,000. Then you repeat the process. This is how it works. Now, y'all know with music streaming, sometimes it could take a minute, well, it always takes a minute. In the beginning, it's an initial 60 to 90 day wait before you initially get paid. But after that, if you continue to promote within those 60, 90 days that you were waiting, you'll get payments every single month after that. Now, you can test it to make sure it works so you are comfortable, but I'm letting you know I've been doing this for years and it works. So the other method is through the playlist mix strategy, which y'all probably want to do this, or y'all probably just go with the free tier. The free tier, you guarantee at least $3,700 in music royalties. The premium mix, you just get a little bit more in royalties, but when you look at the breakdown, you end up making more if you just go through the free tier. So if y'all want more information about just another panel, how to add funds, hopefully this video help y'all, you know what I'm saying?